We are at Flisa Station, located between Kirkenær to the south and Braskereidfoss to the north. This is also the only tunnel on the railway line. Flisa Station on the Solør line has a train dispatcher for exchanging train messages. The entry signal is of a simple type, not dependent on the track switches, and indicates a maximum speed of 40 km an hour when entering the station. Permission to pass through the station is given by flag signal or lantern. Northbound train 84813 will meet southbound train 5581 at Flisa Station. The train dispatcher takes the signal lantern. He sets a stop signal on the platform for train 84813, which will arrive on track number 2. He brings the control lock key to switch 1 at the south end and sets the switch for track number 2. He prepares the simple entry signal to show a clear aspect.
Og da det klart inn.
Det klart inn.
Ja.
Train 84813 arrives. He then sets a stop at the entry signal and returns the track switch to its normal position, back to track number 1. Next, he removes the control lock key. He places the control lock key back in the master lock and sends a control signal to Kirkenær Station. He then exchanges the arrival message for 84813 and the departure message for 5581 with Kirkenær.
Romeo Victor. Kan 25581 kjøre fra Flisa. Romeo Victor. Det må godt. Takk for det. Hei.
He takes out the key for safety lock number 2 and sets the entry signal from the direction of Flisa Station to show a clear aspect. The entry signal will only turn green once the crossing barrier system has been activated at Flisa Station. Then the pass signal is given with a lantern for train 5581. The key for safety lock 2 is put back in place and he calls Flisa Station. In the meantime he sends a signal via the telegraph to inform Kirkenes Station that the train has passed. He then sends the arrival message for train 5581 and the departure message for train 84803 to Flisa Station.
5581 er kommet til Flisa. Romeo Victor. Kan 284-813 kjøre fra Flisa. Romeo Victor. Takk for det. Nå går det i løpet av 4-5 minutter. Hei.
He takes the key for track switch 2 at the north end of the station and sets the switch for track number 2. He then manually lowers the crossing barrier. He gives the driving authorization by flashing his lantern, and everything is ready for train 84803. Finally, he returns the track switch to its normal position at track number 1 and removes the control lock key.